This is how we get copper out of the microwaves. Sometimes it's copper, sometimes it's aluminum. Depending on how old it is. Go. This is what has the copper in it. Maybe aluminum. Let's see, probably aluminum. Some on my copper. Let's see, good enough there. What we're gonna do, hit it along this little line here to break the seal. That. And it's aluminum. It's light enough. Tell by the weight. And this one is also, you just knock it out the same way. So no quartz. Sometimes copper. And no worth. Good now. That's aluminum. Sometimes copper. Come out of those things. Right. You can fold all aluminum. Just have to take off the parts that are not, which will be this part. Take the screw off, water pump housing, and it should be pretty clean by then. Clean aluminum, heavy cast aluminum. All right, thank you. It's all for the Scrapper Show. Let's see.